What are you doing up there, cat? Come on. Come down. Come on. Come on down. Come on, boy. Let's go get your foods. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get your snacks. Get your snacks. Good boys. What are you doing down there? What's she doing, boy? Come on. Let's go get your snacks. You want foods? You want snacks? Oh, what's she doing up there painting? Come on, Bobcat. Let's go. Come on, Bobcat. Get this off. Let me get them off you. You're gonna choke on them if you keep eating them. Stop eating them. You guys are being funny today. Choking on that thing? One second. They're in your ears too.